Hi YouTube. I know, I can't believe 3 videos in such a short period of time, but I was working on a couple of lists. I love lists. And I just wanted to first do a couple of shout outs. I wanted to say thank you to a few people who have really been motivating to me and supportive, and who I've gotten a lot of inspiration from, even in their stories as well. So they're not necessarily spelled the way that I'm going to say them, so I will go ahead and put them on the website. But A New Odyssey, I'm really excited to start the journey with you, so it's going to be really a lot of fun seeing how we go through our journeys. Shell's Karma, I'm really looking forward to seeing your videos as well. And Skinny Mini Wannabe, love watching your videos and keeping updated with you. And Shrink University. So those are the 4 people that I really have felt a lot of support from already, and I just wanted to say thank you guys very much. So my list that I've made are things I'm going to miss after gastric bypass, things I am not going to miss after gastric bypass, and things I am looking forward to. So obviously, aside from the obvious of being healthier and being skinnier and feeling more confident, there are specifics in my everyday life that I think about how they're going to change. So the things I'm going to miss are they're all food related actually. I was trying to think of something that I was going to miss that was not food related, and that I was going to miss that was not food related, and that's it. So, but the specific things are Florentines, specifically from DZ Aikens here in San Diego, the Jewish Deli. Google Florentines if you don't know what they are. They're amazing. Root beer floats, all you can eat buffets. I'm setting it here. Yeah, as far as I was concerned, you got the most for your money. Unfortunately, you got the most for, your walk toward unhealthy as well. So, I felt like you go to an all-you-can-eat buffet and you eat healthy, then you're not getting your money's worth, because you're not eating all you can. You're only eating all you should. So it kind of defeats the purpose a little bit. Raspberry iced tea is my drink of choice. I haven't actually had it in a long time. I've been really, if I go out to a restaurant and they have it, then I'll get it sometimes lately. But for the most part, I have really been trying to just drink water. Like when I go to the grocery store to do our grocery shopping, I only get milk. We have a water purifier in our refrigerator that we just drink water or milk. That's really the only 2 things. I keep the milk so I can have my morning protein shakes right now and that kind of stuff. So for the kids, obviously, and milk is good for you. So, but I don't do any sort of sodas or anything like that. And I'm not really a soda person, so I'm really fortunate for that. I don't really have any sort of desire to have sodas even after surgery, so that's something I'm giving up, but it's not going to be hard at all for me. Gum, chewing gum, and it's funny because I don't chew it very often, but the idea of not being able to chew it again later is really hard for me. Like, just the idea of knowing that I'm going to have to give that up. Is that weird? But it's funny. I always thought it was because it would put bubbles, like you would swallow a lot of air. But I actually read that it causes you to produce too much saliva, so that it will fill up your pouch with saliva. So that's a little tidbit of information that I didn't know, that I learned, and I thought I'd pass on for those who may not know either. Using straws. I'm a big straw person, especially if a drink has ice in it. I will always use a straw. I don't usually drink my water with ice in it because I get it from the refrigerator, so it's already cold. So that's something I'm kind of trying to work out too. Gulping water, though, is something I'm really going to miss. When I'm really thirsty, just being able to drink until my mouth is satisfied. It's not even necessarily for my stomach, but for my mouth to feel like it's hydrated enough. And probably the biggest thing I'm going to miss are donuts. Specifically, crullers. Crullers or pinwheels, however you want to say it. Crullers, crullers, pinwheels. My favorite. Oh, I think I could eat a dozen. I've never done that, but I probably could. Things I am not going to miss. This is the first one I call my